This video will demonstrate how to insert one video into another. The intention is not to concatenate videos, but to insert one into another anywhere in between. On my desktop, there is a folder named Merge Video Midway. In the folder there are two video files named Insert Video and Main Video. The insert video is what gets inserted in between the main video. In this demo, insert video will be inserted at the 3rd second of main video. Let us inspect the Python code with a text editor. Take note the parameters it requires are main video and insert video. Ensure your videos match the exact names. Also specify the exact time you want the insert video to start playing in the main video, in this case at the 3rd second. Before running our script, let us watch our 18 seconds main video.
Art is the dance of colors and the language of the soul. With every brush stroke and every splash of paint, it reveals the beauty of emotions, the depth of dreams, and the endless power of imagination. Embrace the journey, create boldly, and let your spirit shine through your work.
Now let us also watch our 19 seconds insert video. Search for CMD on your Windows or system and open the command prompt. The command prompt opens into the user directory. Navigate to desktop with the change directory, desktop command. While on desktop, navigate to the Merge Video Midway folder. You can now run the script with the Python merge video midway.py command. Ensure everything is typed correctly. You would need Python and pip, which most devices will already have installed to be able to run this code. You would need to have installed ffmpeg, movie.py and numpy to successfully run this script. The links to get all these packages can be found in the description of this video. After it has successfully ran, we should see our final video in our folder, which we can play and watch and see the successfully merged videos.
Art is the dance of colors and the language of the soul. With every brush stroke and every splash of paint, it reveals the beauty of emotions, the depth of dreams, and the endless power of imagination. Embrace the journey, create boldly, and let your spirit shine through your work.